I'm back to Yorba Regional Park. Last week I was here, they stocked, caught a few. Yesterday I was back again, lost many, caught a few. And I'm back today with Paline. So our challenge is to catch a limit. We got one mice tail in, one pole, and I'm using power bait in this one, garlic, scent, and I'm doing the old man fisherman, which means bait and wait versus the other people jigging. It's now 9:39. I think we've been here about an hour and a half. Nothing. We changed leg to the third leg, and we have one in power bait, and now we're using jig. There's a few people here caught one here and there. We'll see. Don't fail me. For jig fishing, with my favorite jig, yellow and white. That's my go-to. Yeah, the one sparkling watermelon. small one today. Let it go again.
Mm-hmm. Don't keep it too long. It will die.
It's not dead, it's swallowed.
Không hang to me.
See, it's bleeding.
Oh my god.
This is a trout, the big trout that we caught from Irvine Lake. Alan baked it, as you can see in previous video, and the papayas, pickled papaya and garlic and carrots with rice. We're eating fish while we're fishing. Swallow. Might be small one. Yeah, I think it might be small. Yeah. It'll feel a bit heavier. Yeah, I need the net. It's okay. I got it. Don't need the net. Maybe I need it. Yes.
That's a good
This
size.
is a nice size.
Oh no.
All right, they're biting. Swallow again.
What did he eat?
This is power bait. They've been hitting the power bait. But the other one was a mice tail. Big one. Yeah, I might need it. Gonna hang up there.
Oh.
Oh, a little bit bigger than the last one.
Nice fish, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Hitting on power bait?
yeah, power bait. They've
Power
been
bait,
hitting on
yeah.
power bait.
I guess that's the stuff they did. Alright, nice one.
Thank you. No, it's power bait mixed with garlic garlic, yeah, flavor. It is 11:34 and we got 26 minutes left to meet our challenge of catching 5 fish, which is the limit. We got 4. We kept 2 good size one and released 2 small one. So we have 1 more to go to meet our challenge. I don't know if we can do it. It's gonna be tight. So Oh yeah.
They hear better than we do.
Oh, it's a bit smaller, but what a fighter. Oh, this guy's strong. Oh no, that's the pole he's not using. Yes. Alright, redemption.
Got a helper too.
Oh, nice color.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Thank you.
Good job, man.
Thank you.
That's a pretty color.
It is.
Where is it?
Beautiful. Yeah. Oh man, this can swallow deep. I'm barefoot because the fish that we caught, there's one big one with the other one. I was busy turning around and then I turned back. The fish took off with the stringer. And so I saw it on time. I jumped into the water and then it kept pulling. I stick my hand in there so I'm all wet, feet and sweater, and it was gone. And then the fish bite in the pole and then I pull it. It got the stringer, it lost the fish, but it got the stringer with the other two fish and it got close to here. Our neighbor helped to pull it in, but we lost the big one when it was already here. And so, I mean, it's unbelievable how that happened. Of all the places they go to, we got it back, but we lost the big one, but that's okay. We've been catching with power bait, rainbow, and garlic mix. That's a good combination.
Did you mix the garlic or you bought it?
No, this is a garlic power bait. So, had we not lost fish in the stringer, we would have had more than this already. The limit, but we released the small one before. Yeah, I got it. Side to side. Oh man. Somebody lied on the tree.
Maybe it's the same one that you lost it.
No, smaller.
Here.
every time. Yesterday the same thing.
Ooh, that's a good size.
Yeah. We got our limit today. A little mishap, lost a big one, and we released small one, but still managed to get a limit. So not bad.
Until next time, remember to keep life simple, stay happy, and always find joy in the great outdoors. And now, enjoy the rest of the video showing the scenic view of the Yorba Regional Park. Whether you catch fish or not, visiting Yorba Regional Park provides a great variety of activities for all ages. The park's 4 lakes are connected by streams, and the 1.4-mile scenic hiking trails are lined with tall trees. As you walk, you are likely to encounter squirrels, ducks, and various birds. Whether you're fishing, hiking, or simply relaxing in the shade, there's something for everyone to enjoy.